guys, welcome to Totally Easy Tuesdays. I'm Amy and this is Bella's Bargains. Thank you so much for visiting my channel today. You know what my motto is? $1, people. $1. What? I got myself this little mug just to remind myself of how much I love things that are only $1. If this is your first time here, what I do is Dollar Tree hauls, Dollar Tree DIYs, Dollar Tree upscales, Dollar Tree reviews, food reviews. I have like a cat here or something. I don't know. Maybe it's probably my own hair. Taste testing, price comparison, and I show you those amazing treasures that you can find at the Dollar Tree and only the Dollar Tree. And it's still there. And the one thing about my crafts, my DIYs, is that everything I use comes from the Dollar Tree. So you don't have to go stop at 5 different stores. You don't have to order some special stain online. I do everything Dollar Tree and only Dollar Tree. Okay, so today though, I know Valentine's is coming up, but today I made some gifts for my granddaughter, and it's her birthday at the end of this month, so I got to get them made and mail them off. And so I just want to show you my absolute favorite thing that I made. Oh my, I'm so in love with this. It's gonna be hard to give it to her, actually. It's not like the cutest. Look, it's got little legs. It's like a miniature chest of drawers. So they sell these boxes at Dollar Tree. They're just like there's 2 drawers in each one. Okay, so look at that. You can see my packing over there. Anyway, I had so much fun. I made these really cool projects for her. This is my favorite. I took one of the calendars and I made all kinds of things with the calendars. This is probably my second favorite. This was one of those cheesy little picture books, and so I took photo albums. I took all that out. I put a little box in it, and it's like a little treasure thing. So I had so much fun making her some birthday presents. Also these, which were just ended up so adorable. They're little like pencil holders, but I made them for like makeup brushes and stuff like that. Like, how cute are those? Anyway, I had so much fun, and I did give you a bonus Valentine's craft at the end. So I'm gonna show it to you because it came out so cute. Also, I love this truck and the little and the trailer. So what I did was, well, anyway, you can't really see in this, but there's yellow in there to like make it look like a road. It doesn't matter. I might have to like darken that a little bit. I think I do. It like soaked into the wood. Okay, so see, it's all dried, it's soaked in. But anyway, I love this. Can anybody tell me what 143 means? So this is Valentine's, and I put 143 on this like heart stop sign. So comment down below if you know what that means. Anyway, I just wanted to tie these two together to make a more substantial Valentine's decoration, and that's what I did. All right, you guys, I hope you really enjoyed the video. If you are here for the first time or the second time or the third time and you haven't yet hit that subscribe button, I would so much appreciate it if you did. I'm trying to grow this channel. Give me a thumbs up, make a comment. All the chatter that goes on my channel helps, so I really appreciate it. Share it if you really want to. All right, guys, I hope you really enjoy the fun crafts that I did today that are so super easy. Okay, enjoy, and I will see you on Thursday for Theme Thursdays. Did I forget to say that? Tuesdays, Totally Easy Tuesdays. Thursdays is Theme Thursdays, so I do DIYs, upscales with the theme. Fridays, Foodie Fridays, I do Dollar Tree food reviews. I do some taste testing, cooking, and whatnot, and tell you how all that works, and if it's good, and if it's worth the $1. And then on Saturdays, I do Shopping Saturdays, which is my Dollar Tree haul. All right, guys, thank you so much. Enjoy the video. I hope you like something. Tell me which one's your favorite. We'll talk to you later. See you on Thursday. Have a great day, great week, great life. I love you all. Thank you. Bye. This project actually is going to be like a little miniature chest of drawers for like earrings and knickknacks and little things for my granddaughter for her birthday. So they sell these boxes. Obviously, they have different patterns. I have 6 of those here. One of the brain teaser things, because I'm going to cut these apart to use the beads. Some craft sticks, and one of these cloud mirrors. So I'm just gonna put it together and make it like a little miniature chest of drawers for her bedroom for knickknacks. So I thought I was all done with this piece. And then, I don't know, in the middle of the night or something, I was thinking about it and I was like, maybe I should embellish the the drawer knobs just a little bit. And so I decided that I would try that. I have an array of colors to choose from, and I think I kind of like that. So I'm not totally sure, but I'm gonna go, I think, with these colors. I'll do two. All right, so let's just, yeah. Let's see what that looks like. This is a fairly simple project. I purchased one of the 4x6 little photo albums here. And if you'll notice, they have like quite an open space in the middle. And so my idea is to take one of the boxes from the gift boxes and glue it inside. And then I'm gonna use this calendar and their back page, the bigger one here, to put in there, just to make a cute little hideaway little treasure box. So if this was in her room, nobody would know that she could have stuff hidden in there. And let's go. This is a project using these little framed art pieces, obviously from the Dollar Tree. And they just have, little sayings on them like, hello, love, life is meant to be lived, trust your journey. You did not wake up to be mediocre, adventure is calling. Anyway, I'm going to arrange them all, gluing them together. And then I'm going to embellish it slightly for her room as just a fun, somewhat motivational, right? Like trust your journey and life is meant to be lived and you did not wake up to be mediocre. Colorful thing for her wall. And I'm going to be using some stickers for her name, I believe, but I'm not exactly sure which ones. So I just pulled them all out. The remainder probably of these floral stickers and possibly some of this table scatter from a summer table scatter package. And obviously hot glue and the adhesive from the Dollar Tree that I use, their Fix-All adhesive. All right, so let's get to it. This is going to be a piece of wall art for her room. And I'm going back to the same calendar. And I'm going to I used the small one up here that was the Strong and Brave. And so I really like how this one, You Are Worth It, sort of complements that. And this, I think, is just a great saying, too, for a teenage girl. And that's like June, I think. Yeah, it's June. Anyway, so I'm going to frame that up, and I'm going to embellish this frame. Also, I'm going to be using one of these floral wood shapes, some of the table scatter, and I think a couple of these floral stickers that are in this arrangement. So let's go. So when I used one of these boxes for the little hidden box thing, I had two left over, and this one, and I thought, I'm gonna take what's left over from the calendar piece that I cut out, and I'm gonna use some Mod Podge and decoupage it onto the lid of this, because it's just a cute little thing to add to her stuff that I'm making for her bedroom. So that's pretty simple. And it uses up a few of the leftovers things. I'm gonna make some containers for her room, like could be makeup brushes, pencils, pens, whatever. Anyway, so I purchased these, obviously at the Dollar Tree. They come 3 in a stack, and they show it like holding pencils and whatnot. And there's actually 5 different colors. There's a gray one also, which I might actually use. At first I was thinking I would put these together like this, but because of the shape of them, they come down. It would actually be kind of hard to tie them together. They do all have a place on here where you could write what it is, and you could label it. So, but I'm going to go in and use some more of these little prints from the back of this calendar to decorate these up, to add to the stuff that I'm making for her bedroom. And that's it. It's pretty simple. So this is a little Valentine's sign redo, upscale, not sure what you want to call it. So I have the Follow Your Heart camper and the Happy Valentine's Day truck. I would like to put them together, of course, because that looks really cute. And this love sign that I saw at the store, and look at that, it was never fully attached. And I was like, that's perfect. So I'm going to finish this jobber off and use this as the base for my sign. And it looks like I might have to put a little blow dryer on there to heat the rest of that up. So I have that sign, the truck, the camper, one solid heart, and one, what are these called? Yeah, anyway, one of these to make a sign. So basically what I'm going to do is put those onto this and upscale it just a little bit. So let's go. And I might use some markers. I think I'm just going to use markers for the rest of the project. I'm also going to use this Crayola color glue because it's a yellow. And what I want to do is throw some yellow in these lines to make it look like a street. And I'm also going to use a Magnum Sharpie, but you could use any Sharpie to do what I'm going to do, because I'm just going to color in the wood right here where I can see it. I don't have to color the whole thing. And I'm going to outline the, I think I'm going to outline these. Maybe, yeah, I think I'm going to outline the sides of them just here. All right, let's go.